Working alone requires structure, tenacity, and grit. You will feel isolated and easily distracted. You will need ways to stay self-motivated. It is hard for you, and believe me, it is hard for everyone else. Sometimes you will be having a bad day, and you will need to pick yourself up and keep moving forward. Set goals. Learn to appreciate your success. You're smarter than you know, braver than you imagine, and more determined than you realize. Every day, try to do a little bit better than you did yesterday. Tough times never last, but tough people do. It takes courage to keep trying. Every step you take, every day, will move you closer to your goals. Believing you can is half the battle. The more you learn, the more confident you will become. Your biggest challenge will be staying focused and staying diligent about your learning. The assignments keep you moving forward. Slowly chip away at tasks. I can help you think. And it's up to you to learn. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.